Annual hurricane seasons bring tremendous losses. In 2017 alone, nearly $400 billion in damages and thousands of lives were lost. Considering this happens nearly every year, the ROI of rebuilding is questionable, to say the least. Disaster relief is costly, dangerous, and inefficient. In the aftermath of Hurricane Maria, more than 10 large trailers full of donated food, water, first aid, and baby supplies were all abandoned in a parking lot and lost due to rat infestation. Nearly a year later, records show that an additional 1,400 lives were lost. Some places are still without power. Hurricanes and typhoons afford us an advanced warning unlike any other natural disaster. However, up to this point, this opportunity remains unseized. The time is long overdue to shift our focus from disaster relief to disaster prevention. StormWeapon Defense Systems is proposing a global solution now with Project S.I.A.D.